Madam Ifeoma, you dey craze, you dey matter. Wetin dey worry you? Okun dey kill you. Wetin dey happen? Na you be the first person to chop wish. Wetin happen now? My mama na wish, my grandma na wish. People dey hear word for area. Ifeoma, why you all come different now? When Mr. Johnson dey give you the wish, we dey there. We no dey there now. Person give you wish finish, daybreak you no confess. After you don tire of sucking blood, and then you come to social media, come dey cry. Wetin happen? Na because of you, na Mark create this app. If you go everywhere, Ifeoma, if you go this one, Ifeoma, if you go this one, Mr. Johnson and wish, wetin dey happen? That covenant not get that people for them, you report Mr. Johnson, give them. Tell them, say, the destiny Mr. Johnson collect for your hand. I need them back. When I let me collect them. Not be we when they physical for you. We not go fit help you. Social media not go fit help you. Go spiritual where Mr. Johnson for collect your destiny. Make you follow and drag on for that side. Why you come here, come they cry? When should they give you the wish we not dey there? This your match, you don't use and sub bluff finish. Now it don't tire you. Now you come they cry for social media. Nollywood, una not go call una people to order now. Una not go call them to order now. Wait till they happen. Person not they hear word again because of una. People dey there when they follow they do meeting. Report Message Johnson today. Make una fight and spiritually. Now we do one way they break on physical. We know that on a meeting, so make una settle around for that side. Too much of everything is bad. If too much of everything is bad, if you know say the wish don't tire you, go church, go confess. Put the shirt of wish when they wear you. Go give your life to Christ. Your destiny when Mr. Johnson carry. Go meet them for coven. Make you follow Mr. Johnson Dragon. Not be social media for collect your destiny. Now wish coven for collect your destiny. So go meet her for that same coven. Make you follow her. Dragon. Why you come here the shout? We won't follow you drag the destiny when Mr. Johnson collect for your hand. Now you know how she take collect her. Now you know how you go take carry your thing go back. I beg that one don't do. Very soon person here go block. The person they sleep for night, you can't they dream the same wish. When person say they hear wish every blessed day. For more than 2 weeks now, if you say you no go rest. Wait till happen. Mr. Johnson when they talk to person not great answer you, you no go rest. Go fight am spiritually. Because na night una take dey go na coven. So go fight am for night. Not be the one in the afternoon, we should go on your phone, put camera face yourself, begin come dey cry for social media.